In this exciting video, we're showcasing a hand-picked selection of innovations and useful tools. Next up is an Ingenious tool that makes all ladder jobs safer, faster, and easier by allowing you to maintain 3-point contact constructed of ultra-light yet durable anodized aluminium built to last. It comes with 3 stainless steel interchangeable attachments to securely hold paint cans, buckets, drills, tools, sprayers, caulking guns, tool bags, and anything you need up on a ladder. This clamp is a simple one-time install that requires no tools to install and doesn't need to be removed when folding the ladder away. Attaches to either left or right side of the ladder. It can rate to safely hold 7 kilograms. The price tag for this product is $35. Our selection continues with this tool that can significantly speed up the procedure. It is suitable for professional and simple closing the seam between sheet and fixing profile, especially for wall cladding, shaft cladding, etc. You can bend the sheet in a matter of seconds without the use of other equipment. The operating principle of the tool is simple and straightforward, and the worker hardly needs to exert any effort. Variability and flexibility are important advantages. The bending depth can be adjusted from 20 to 120 millimeters. The presence of a measuring scale further enhances ease of use. The price is $478. This useful tool introduces a new generation of ultra-lightweight, compact combi tools for rapid intervention and extrication of persons trapped in emergency situations. Depending on the nature of your operation, you can choose between different models, hand, pump, or battery operated, and fitted with short arms or long arms. The short-armed 5111 models are your best choice if you need a higher spreading force, and the long-armed 5117 models if a higher spreading distance is more important. They serve as versatile multi-tools capable of squeezing, spreading, and cutting. 5111 model boasts a theoretical cutting force of about 27 tons and a maximum speeding force of 21.5 tons. This is GAFFGUN, saving over 90% of the time to lay floor tape. The GAFFGUN simplifies your job while saving time, money, and your back. The GAFFGUN will lay tape over cables, extension cords, rope, or even air hoses. Cables don't even have to be straight. The GAFFGUN uses a funneling system to straighten and center your cables and then lay tape over them. GAFFGUN core lock tape is wound on a plastic core that locks onto the GAFFGUN's hub, keeping tape centered and allowing use of the GAFFGUN's tensioning knob. Every detail was designed to make your most difficult job dramatically easier. It has 4 sizes: small, medium, large, and floor guide. This system offers controlled screw tightening and safety at the same time for electrical applications. The tool set contains an ergonomically shaped turquoise screwdriver handle with an integrated numerical scale, 15 slim bits, a bit holder, and the adjustment tool. The turquoise screwdriver VDE covers a large area of applications with the variably adjustable turquoise range. A clearly audible and tactile signal when the turquoise is triggered ensures a process-reliable turquoise mechanism that protects against material damage and rework. The insulated click fix bit holder ensures a secure hold of the 75 mm long slim bits thanks to a mechanical blade lock. The electric screwdriver brings efficiency in everyday life, especially thanks to its small, compact shape. This ingenious tool is oval bark stripper attachable to chainsaws. This oval bark peeling apparatus, which is designed to peel the bark of tree trunks of various diameters at the desired thickness, is produced from quality material and parts and has been widely used for a long time efficiency and without any problems. Its weight is 2.95 kg. Belt guard for short version is 0.585 kilograms and for long version is 0.828 kilograms. Engine power to be used is at least 1.2 kilowatts. Peeling width is 107 millimeters and blade width is 107 millimeters. Number of blades is 2 replaceable steel blades each. Maximum speed is 3000 RPM. The connecting rod is made of solid steel and also has undergone a special heat treatment. This amazing tool is Nemo waterproof drill. The Nemo waterproof drill was designed for the worker or boater who needs a portable electric drill when working in wet conditions or underwater. The waterproof drill may be used in salt, fresh, or chlorinated water up to 16 feet deep. The waterproof drill is the perfect tool for dock and boat hose installation and repair. Work in and around swimming pools and aquariums, repairs on boats and yachts, and installing aquaculture and science equipment in the marine environment. Its maximum torque is 345 inch-pounds. It has one 18-volt 3 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery. Attach a wire brush to its shock to remove rust, or attach a soft brush to remove fouling. This pole line blower needs no electrical connections. The strong flow engine feeds the pole line independent of power supply. This device used for network construction in civil engineering, groundwork, roads, tunnels, bridges, snow cannons, and cable car construction. It is suitable for cable ducts from 25 to 200 millimeters. Water, small residues, impurities, or else can often be pushed through with the shuffle in only one operation. Thanks to a powerful two-stroke motor, the yarn strip cables are blown or suctioned independent of the electricity supply. It is used for conventional electrical conduits and has been specially designed for cable installation in road constructions, tunnels, or bridges, as well as mountain trains and cable cars.